Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover multiplying exponents with the same base. Now, when we do this, we keep the base the same and then add the exponents. So, this is our base for example, and these are our exponents. So, for example, let's make a little example formula. X to the power of a times x to the power of b equals x to the power of a plus b. This will be our example formula, and we're going to do exactly this, but without the a and the b. So let's jump into our examples and see exactly how this works, starting with number 1, where we have x squared times x cubed. So, as I said, we keep our base. You can also read it up here. We keep the base, so we can write x down here. Now we have to add the exponents together. 2 plus 3 equals 5, so our final answer will be x to the power of 5. Now, I can show you how this works. So, yes, let's see. We have x cubed. That means we have to do x times x. So, this is our x cubed. Now, we have x squared is this. This is x cubed. We have to do x times x times x. So this shows the x squared, and this shows the x cubed. We just add them together like this, and we get our final answer. So on to the second example. We have 5 to the power of 7, and we have 5 to the power of 3. So we keep the base, and we add the exponents. 7 plus 3 is 10. So our answer is 5 to the power of 10, which equals 9,765,625. Now, this is our final answer, but now we are gonna break it down like I did for the first one, but with this one, so you guys can understand it better. So we have 5 to the power of 7, which is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Oh, I mean 5. This is our first one. So this is our 5 to the power of 7. Now we times this by 5 to the power of 3. This is 5 times 5 times 5. So this is our 5 to the power of 3. Now we have to add these two together. The two exponents, we have to add the two exponents together. Let's write exponents here. So we know we have to add these two together. And then we get our final answer, which is 5 to the power of 10, which is 9,765,625. So I showed you two pretty easy examples for this. I hope you guys understand it. If you need more examples, you can always ask them in the comments, and maybe I will make another video for them. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.